god. I have to turn it couch and washing machine for a perfect double date. I don't get the washing machine thing! I don't get it! I don't get it. Also, Sakana messaged me about the washing machine thing. He's like, why are people telling me that, you talked about freaking doing it with a washing machine? I'm like, no! That's not even what happened! I was a kid, okay? And I had heard these things, and I wanted to test it out, and it didn't work, and I didn't get it, and I never did it again. God. I know I wasn't naked. I don't get it. Who's snitching for real? God. Man. I don't have a relationship with my washing machine. You doubt it rumbles enough? I mean, I don't remember. It was pretty rumbly, though. Rate the spin cycle, which feels better. None of them! I don't get it. None of them feel better. None of them feel good. Nah. Yeah, the whole point of the story is that it didn't work, man. I don't get it. It is supposed to assist, not magically do it for you? Well, no one told me that when I was a kid. And therefore I didn't know.